Okay, so now I'm going to teach you guys how to write a function that takes in the tag name and the text content. And when you call that function, it will insert whatever element and text content you create into the HTML, and it will render it. Okay, so remember how we always had to do like create an element, set attribute, set text content, append child. It's so much better. We can put all of that into a function, right? Okay. So step one, I'm going to try to recreate this element right here. And for now, I won't show you how to create the class attribute. That will be for your challenge, okay? Okay, so it should look like this when we're finished. If I call this, you should get math right here. Let's do a P tag and do English, see if it works. Yep, that says English, okay? All right, let's clear this. Let's go over this. Now, how can we create this? We need a tag name first, right? So first thing we're gonna do is make a new const my tag is equal to document dot what? Create element. What kind of element? It's whatever the user put, the tag name, right? And then we can do my tag dot text content is equal to text. Or remember, you can even do my tag dot append text. Okay, because remember, you can use append if it's just pure strings. Okay, and then what? Well, then we gotta attach it to the body, right? Document dot body. Now we gotta use append child because it's an element. What are we appending? My tag. Okay, now let's save it and let's call it. Yep, it works. Let's try for the math one. Yep, that works. Now, for your challenge, I want you to modify this function. Have it also take in what's called an attributes object. So what that means is that if I call this function create and render, let's say h1, and I want it to have a class of math, and let's say an ID of, let's say, math-1, okay, and a text of blah, blah, blah. And when it renders, if I open up the console, I should see that it has a class of math and an ID of math-1. Now, really think about how you can do this. Hint, use set attribute, and maybe you're gonna need a for in loop. Okay, pause the video, and when we come back, I'll show you how to do this.